At the recent Comdex computer trade show, there were some new hardware devices that were smarter than they first looked. The Proxima projector, for example, connects directly to the internet without a PC.
And there's NASDAQ.
This internet telephone from Panasonic is ready to retrieve and display electronic mail messages at the touch of a button. There is no computer to boot up and no email software to load.
To open a message, you hit return key on the keyboard or hit select up there.
The common technology behind these internet-savvy appliances is the DIBA Corporation's Application Foundation. DIBA's platform brings computer abilities and the internet to everything, from telephones to television sets. DIBA's goal is simply simplicity.
First, you have to not think about things in terms of the computer paradigm. You can't think about things using pull-down menus, and you can't think about things that have scroll bars. You can't think about installation and configuration. You have to think about things that work like a toaster. My father buys a toaster, brings it home, plugs it in, he knows how to use it.
The DIBA enhanced television, manufactured by Samsung, will be a self-contained unit. A PC board hidden inside the set provides internet connections and a simplified interface. DIBA's common operating system opens the door to a wider range of inexpensive single-purpose devices, like this CD-ROM player for the kitchen or an electronic phone directory.
I do think that the internet appliances will provide a door for a lot of people who haven't benefited from computing. For people who have found it to be a huge learning curve might enjoy an internet appliance, or someone without the economic means to afford a $4,000 computer.
Millions of PlayStation 3 owners across the world found their machines didn't work properly on March the 1st. A bug which only affected older, fat PS3 models is thought to have been caused by an internal clock error, which thought 2010 was a leap year. Victims lost trophies and game saves, with some reporting games not working at all. Fortunately, as the date changed to March the 2nd, the bug fixed itself. Close call. Thankfully, Sony has at least 364 days to find a permanent solution. The proposed merger of Orange and T-Mobile in the UK has been approved by the EU and won't be challenged by the UK's Office of Fair Trading. The 50-50 joint venture would become the largest operator in the UK, pushing O2 into second place and Vodafone into third. The move, expected this spring, was approved after both Orange and T-Mobile agreed to give up a quarter of their bandwidth they own to competitors. Finally, forget poking, spanking or throwing sheep. Now you can swap cash with your friends on Facebook. A new app called Buckster allows Facebookers to shift up to €50 or dollars to friends who also have the app linked to a click and buy account. The exchange is free unless you're swapping currencies or making a withdrawal. The British pound will be supported from next month, which is probably the best news sterling has had for a while.
Currently in your area, 80 degrees, under partly cloudy skies. The forecast for your area. extended forecast.